P10 Dual Lens Surveillance Camera. This is a dual lens surveillance camera, one with a focal length of 2.8 mm and one with a focal length of 12 mm, which are used to view close-up and distant views respectively. Both lenses are 4 MP pixels, and both can realize electronic zoom technology to ensure the emotional degree of the picture. The camera has 5 infrared lights and 5 white lights, which can be clearly monitored in low-light environments. The camera supports a memory card up to 128 GB, and also has a cloud storage function to upload event clips in real time. The camera supports multi-alarm method, such as APP push, sound alarm, LED flashing. The motion tracking function will allow the camera to rotate with the moving object, recording and detailing. AI motion detection function, using AI technology to reduce the probability of false positives, and will not miss mobile alarms. Scan the QR code to complete the sharing. There is no upper limit for sharing, and up to 5 people can watch at the same time.